Welcome to Choice Champions. The best black tent is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, whether you're a seasoned camper looking for reliable shelter or a beginner embarking on your first adventure into the wilderness. This particular tent offers a unique blend of durability, weather resistance, and ease of setup, making it an attractive option for a wide range of users who prioritize comfort and protection during their outdoor excursions. Its thoughtful design considers the practical needs of campers, ensuring a pleasant and secure experience under the stars. Number 5. Eurmax USA 10x10 Pop Up Canopy. Introducing the Eurmax USA 10x10 Pop Up Canopy, your ultimate solution for outdoor events. Choose American quality and certainty with a product built to last and fully supported. Experience exceptional support with its robust steel frame and full truss structure. This heavy-duty instant shelter is designed for stability, making it a reliable choice for any occasion. Stay comfortable and protected with its water-resistant and UV-blocking fabric. The removable zippered walls and extended awning offer versatile coverage for you and your guests. From backyard parties to trade shows, this canopy tent is ready for anything. Create a spacious and comfortable retreat, perfect for gatherings of all kinds. Enjoy quick and easy assembly with its user-friendly thumb lock system. Adjust the height effortlessly and focus on your event, not the setup. This comprehensive package includes the canopy frame, top, walls, a roller bag, and bonus weight bags and an upgrade awning for extra shade. What we like. This canopy offers exceptional stability and versatility with its patented no-tip rolling bag and included zippered walls. The extended awning provides extra shade, making it perfect for vendors at markets or hosts of backyard parties who need reliable, adaptable shelter. If you need a robust and customizable setup for events, this is a solid choice. What people say. The tent is easy to set up and take down, which is great for camping trips. It provides good ventilation, keeping the inside cool even on hot days. The tent is spacious enough to comfortably fit 2 people and their gear. Number 4. ABCCANOPY 10x10 Pop Up Canopy Tent. Setting up your shelter is now a breeze. Our advanced technology allows for a smooth, one-person setup in just 1 minute. You'll never struggle to get it up again. Transporting your canopy is incredibly easy. It fits neatly into the included roller bag, making outings hassle-free. The wheels provide smooth mobility, and the compact bag stores easily in your car. Experience a generous 100 square feet of shade thanks to its straight-leg design. This provides ample space for all your activities, whether you're singing, dancing, or simply relaxing. Stay protected from the sun's harmful rays. The silver-coated fabric offers UPF 50+ UV protection, effectively blocking heat and keeping you and your loved ones safe from sun damage. Available in multiple sizes and colors, it's perfect for various needs. Whether it's for couples, families, or small gatherings, you can find the ideal fit for your backyard or beach events. To ensure longevity, please do not leave it out in severe weather. After drying, remove the top from the frame and store it in the provided bag. What we like. Designed for ultimate convenience, this canopy boasts a 1-person, 1-minute setup and a portable wheeled bag for effortless transport. Its straight-leg design ensures a full 100 square feet of shade. If you prioritize quick assembly and easy portability for beach trips or backyard gatherings, this option is ideal. What people say. The tent is easy to set up and take down. It is very spacious and can comfortably fit 4 people. The material is durable and waterproof, holding up well in heavy rain. Number 3. ABCCANOPY Easy Pop Up Canopy Tent. Enjoy your outdoor activities without worry. This canopy provides excellent protection from the sun and light rain, offering a comfortable space for everyone. With 100 square feet of shade and included sidewalls, there's plenty of room for up to 4 to 5 people and your essentials. It's the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Setting up is a breeze. The pre-assembled frame allows for a quick and easy setup in just 10 to 15 minutes, even by yourself. It also folds compactly for convenient transport. Engineered with a durable, commercial-grade frame and robust cross-truss design, this canopy is built for stability and wind protection. The high-quality fabric ensures long-lasting use. From parties and BBQs to beach days and garden events, this canopy is your go-to shelter. The removable sidewalls offer flexibility for any situation. We stand behind our product with a 6-month warranty on the cover and a 12-month warranty on the frame. We're here to support you. What we like. This canopy provides excellent sun and rain protection with its included sidewalls and a robust, commercial-grade frame. Setup is a breeze thanks to the pre-assembled frame, taking only minutes. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-set-up shelter for parties, BBQs, or outdoor sports events that offers good weather protection, this is a great pick. What people say. The tent is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for camping trips. It offers good ventilation, which helps to keep the inside cool and comfortable even on warm days. The tent is made of durable material that has held up well against various weather conditions. Number 2. zDen Personal Sleep Sanctuary. Tired of light disrupting your sleep? This innovative sanctuary instantly transforms any space into a zone of complete darkness, allowing you to sleep soundly, day or night. Create your personal sleep haven wherever you go. It provides a private and separated sleep space, perfect for dorms, travel, or shared rooms, ensuring undisturbed rest. Designed for those with demanding schedules, it helps you achieve quality sleep after shifts, during travel, or in bright environments. Fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Enjoy darkness without affecting others. This sanctuary blocks external light while containing your own light sources, allowing for activities like reading without disturbing your partner. It's comfortably spacious, safe for all ages, and requires no assembly for instant use. Designed for your well-being, it even includes features for CPAP users and migraine relief. See how easily it fits on various bed sizes, creating a personal sleep zone that works for you. It's designed to enhance your sleep experience without covering your entire body. What we like. This product creates an instant private sleep sanctuary by blocking over 99% of light, turning any space into total darkness. It requires no assembly and is perfect for those needing to sleep during the day, like shift workers, or anyone seeking a private, distraction-free sleep zone in dorms or hotels. If you struggle with light disrupting your sleep, this is your solution. What people say. The tent is easy to set up and take down. It is very spacious and can comfortably fit 4 people. The rainfly provides excellent coverage and kept us dry during a storm. Number 1. Eurmax USA 10x10 Pop Up Canopy Replacement Top. Choose certainty with Eurmax USA, North America's leading factory store for canopies and accessories, stocked right here in the US. This replacement top is designed to fit most standard 10x10 canopy frames with straight legs. It's crafted from extra-thick polyester fabric for durability and protection. Enjoy peace of mind with CPAI 84, NFPA 701, and ULCS 109 fire certifications. It offers 99% UV protection and is water-resistant, keeping you comfortable. Featuring horizontal straps on all valances for easy sidewall attachment and metal D-rings at the corners for secure guy rope fixing. Straps at the corners ensure a strong connection to the frame. This package includes a bonus 4-pack of weight bags to help secure your canopy. Please note, the canopy frame is not included. What we like. This is a replacement canopy top cover, offering a vast selection of 30 colors to refresh your existing frame. Made from extra-thick, fire-certified polyester fabric with UV protection, it ensures durability and safety. If you already have a canopy frame and need a new, high-quality, and customizable top, this is the perfect replacement. What people say. The tent is easy to set up and take down. It held up well in windy conditions. The ventilation is good, preventing condensation inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.